Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're most welcome as well. So today's reading is going to be the love reading for you, and it will be dated from 6th August till 11th August. Okay, Leo. So let us see what has been going on in your love life, Leo. First, I'll tap onto your energy, alright? So let us see. Spirit guides and angels, please tell us something about Leo's feelings right now, how they are feeling and how they are thinking right now. Thank you very much. Leo, this is you at the moment, confused. Somebody has kept you in your head. Knight of Swords, you're seeking for clarity and you're wishing that somebody would just come forward and let you know what all is going on in their life. This person in your mind could be Cancer, could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. These are the signs I'm seeing so far, but Cancer energy is quite prominent over here. Yeah, you are trying to get as much information about this person as you can through your mutual friends, but you are not being able to. Okay, you still don't have that clarity which you wish to have, and you are having to remain in this energy of Two of Pentacles, basically, thinking like, yeah, he or she is, they are still thinking about me, and at the other moment you are like, no, how can that be, this person has already moved on. But then you do not know for sure and you are seeking for clarity. Okay, Leo, so let us see, how's this person in your mind feeling towards you? How's this person in Leo's mind feeling towards my Leo? How's this person in Leo's mind thinking about my Leo, please? Thank you very much. Like the Emperor, they are looking at you like someone who's like a leader, someone who's confident, someone, who's bossy. That's fine. And yeah, someone who's holding a prominent position, or at least someone who's promising, in your career. All right. So yeah, very strong-willed and very independent. Wow, they are putting you on pedestal. Okay, they see you, as someone who's holding high potential for success when it comes to career. But there's some chaos in their mind as well. They want to come and offer you something. Yeah, they want some sort of reconciliation. It seems like you two were in communication before, but that has been broken. And now when you think of this person, sometimes you feel like it is impossible for this person to come back. Or this Emperor kind of energy might be telling about their position. This is someone who's accomplished, someone who's holding a prominent position. I'm hearing media house for some of you. This person works in some media house. This person could be a journalist is what I'm getting. But even if not, then this person is someone who's like a government official or someone who's like a CEO manager somewhere, and this person has absolutely fallen for you. Maybe you are an employee, in this person's company. For some of you it could be the workplace situation as well. But no matter what, this person is looking at you like someone, who has, potential. Wow, I'm hearing who has that much potential, which can, by the grace of which you can grow yourselves from this to this kind of energy which they are already, in. Okay, this person feels like, this person basically sees the reflection of themselves when they were slightly younger, when they were in the struggling phase. For some of you, this person is slightly older than you. But yeah, what I'm getting is this person respects you for all your potentials. Okay, the way you speak, the way you present yourself, the way you are moving ahead in your career path, the way you are acing in your studies, the way you are acing at your work, if you are a job holder. But there is some level of confusion for this person. This person is thinking of the ways in which he, can reconcile with you and rekindle things between you two. This person wants to come in contact and come in contact and, get started with the communication once again. But this person is thinking, how should I do that? This person has to, save their grace as well, and then this person has to rekindle things between you two as well. So for some of you, you're feeling like this is impossible, but then believe in the impossible. Okay, this person is heavily thinking about you still. No matter how much prominent of a person this is, what a big persona this is, this person is still thinking about you. Don't think that it is impossible. It is very much possible. This person, according to the cards, are still thinking about you. Sometimes impossible happens. Okay, what is this person willing to tell Leo? What is this person willing to tell Leo? What is this person willing to tell Leo? I'm asking this question because I can see Ace of Swords. They want to come in, begin conversation with you once again. So what is it that this person wishes to tell my Leo? What is it that this person wishes to tell my Leo? Thank you very much. I'm transforming, I'm changing. Your love has changed me, and now I want to come and sweep you off your feet. I want to be victorious in this love connection. I don't want this flame to die out. I want it to live forever. I want this connection to remain alive forever. I want to be by your side. I want you to feel victorious, being in this love connection as well. We both can be proud counterparts. So, yeah, I've understood all this and I'm changing. It's not over between you and me. Yes, I've been quite busy while, growing all these pentacles, and while, fulfilling my roles and responsibilities at my work. But I'm still thinking about you. And look at this, it is not over between you and me. It's not over at all. I'm thinking of marriage between us. Will you accept my proposal of marriage? This could be the twin flame connection which you are nurturing, and it seems like you waited for quite a long time. Even if it is not a twin flame connection, the period of wait has been quite long, and you felt like, the situation was getting very much toxic for you. To have such person in your mind whom you feel is impossible to, manifest, had become too much for you, so you walked away from the situation. But then this person hasn't let go of you. This person, like, literally wants to sweep you off your feet. This person wants to tell everyone, just how fantastic a connection you both have. This person wants to go public, and this person wants to commit to you. This person wants marriage with you. Impossible happens. It's not over yet between you two. All right, so what is this person's next action going to be? What is this person's next action going to be? Thank you. Your person's next action is Ace of Pentacles. If this is actually a workplace situation, then this person will offer you some sort of job. Or even if it is not a workplace situation, then I'm getting this strong vibe that this person is very powerful, and this person might end up, offering some sort of job, under them, under their leadership, in the same workplace where they, do the job. Or maybe they own a company and they want to hire you at the beginning, and that is how they want to rekindle things between you two. Yeah, this person doesn't want to fail. Okay, this person is someone who has a lot of pride for, their achievements in life, and this person doesn't want to face the rejection. So that is exactly why, they are wanting to reach out to you, but in an unseeming manner. What I mean to say is that they don't want to come off as a lover, but they want to, they don't want to offer you the love relation right off the bat. They will offer you, something else at the beginning. All right, is what I'm sensing. They'll find some other way of connection between you two, so that they can avoid the rejection, because they have so much of pride for whatever they have already achieved. This person is someone very prominent, is what I'm sensing. Yeah, this person wants to connect to you through some sort of work. Probably this person is going to offer you some sort of partnership at work, is what I'm sensing. But definitely expect some sort of message from this person. It could be a text, it could be an email. Expect some sort of, approach for communication towards you. That can pretty much happen. Okay, so this is the reading for you, Leo. I hope this helps and resonates. The message beyond this will come next week. Until the time I meet you again, I love you so much.